Hey guys, this is something that I'm really excited about because I've used their products in the past and I absolutely love them. This is from Olaplex. They sent me a bunch of products to try. I've tried their shampoos and conditioners in the past and they really helped my frizzy hair. Let's see what they sent. They sent me their Shine Set. My hair definitely needs this. Sorry. They sent me this Bond Maintenance shampoo and conditioner. So I already have these products. This is particularly for fine hair. They sent me a jumbo size right now, so I don't have to keep ordering them. I'm so glad they sent these. This is a skincare brand again. This is some eye cream. This is like sunscreen. This is again for your eyes. It helps with your eye bags and dark circles. So these are from Dr. Brandt. This is from Swede. It's also a beauty brand. This is for your eyelashes. This is Pro Eyelash. And this is Lash Lift Mascara. I'm really excited to try this one. This is eyeliner. This is like a satin kohl eyeliner. This is from Pixie. I heard this brand from one of my nieces. It's very popular in teenagers these days. They sent me a glowy powder. And oh, this is so cute. This is an eye palette. And oh, these are face patches. And these are also patches for your under eyes. And it's a fixing mist for your makeup. This looks so cute. I just love their packaging. I'm sure my daughter and my niece would come for these, but I'll try to save these for myself. This is so cute, so I just want to quickly open it. Oh, it smells so good. It's a fixing mist for your face after makeup. It smells so good. This is another beauty brand, Pi. It's an overnight moisture mask and it's eye energy cream, another cream for your under eyes, and another deep moisture cream for your face. This is from U Beauty. They sent the Sculpt for your neck. I think these are skincare brands. This is Super Hydrator for your skin. And this is for your lips. It's called the Plasma. For your face, it's a intensive oil. So these are from U Beauty. I haven't tried them before, but I'm excited to try. Now I want to talk about this brand. If you like Kulfi, you probably like these too. The brand is called Kulfi, and I love their names to these. Their lip staining oil is called First Sari, and their mascara is called Body Lash Mascara. I absolutely love the names they chose, and the concealer is called Extra Elaichi. This is a concealer.